Hi, I'm Karina Kensis, Regional Territory Manager with VS America, and I'm here with our PantoSwing-LuPo chair. The PantoSwing-LuPo is part of a family of chairs that's available in a variety of options as well as specifications. Like much of our seating, the PantoSwing-LuPo is available in 6 different seated heights, which is denoted by the color dot symbol on the back of the chair, as well as 4 different shell sizes. The PantoSwing-LuPo is comprised of 3 distinct construction features as well as 1 dynamic effect. Starting first with the shell. We have a double-blown poly shell as opposed to a single poly shell. That's hugely important for durability, where a single poly shell can sometimes lead to failure in either breaking, splintering, cracking, or at the very least getting that white tension mark that plastic sometimes gets when it's under tension. You'll then notice there's holes on the top as well as underneath because it's actually hollow inside. This creates a cushion effect, which firstly allows the seat to be more comfortable and a softer sit, but more importantly, it is more durable because it's less brittle that way. The second feature is the frame itself. It is one piece of steel that is the highest gauge steel available on the market that is bent at each of these points as opposed to welded together, which may lead to failure as well. And it is then pressure fitted into a housing in the mold of the shell itself as opposed to riveted or screwed in to the shell, which also may lead to breakage. The third feature are the glides themselves. These are our 2-component glides, or also known as universal, which we patented with Armstrong flooring. We wanted to create a glide that was virtually non-harming, non-marring, and pretty silent on any hard surface. If you're going to be using the chair exclusively on carpet, we'd recommend our plastic glides as opposed to the 2-component glides, because the 2-component is like a rubber material, so it may have a little bit of a grip on carpet, although it is a universal glide, so it can work on any floor type without harming it. And then the dynamic effect is the flux itself in the shell, which you'll notice upon sitting in it. It allows and supports for that natural motion that is required by your body, and it doesn't hinder any of that natural motion. Leaning forward in the chair, the shell and the chair moves with you to support that. It also offers multi-positional sitting, so you've got forward, sideways, as well as backwards. Handling the chair is quite simple. Simply grab it in the opening. You can get it up off the ground, like so. Please visit our website for more information.